So today we have BMW M340i for installing carbon fiber wing spoiler. So we have outsourced this spoiler from outside India because when we get some car, तो उसका प्रोडक्ट हमें सोर्स करने में काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट भी होता है और प्रॉपर सोर्सिंग इज़ द मेन की फॉर एनी प्रोडक्ट. So installing in such high-end cars and finding products is very tough. So we have outsourced this original carbon fiber spoiler for BMW M340i. Not only sourcing is difficult, but installing with the proper workmanship is also a task. So when we get this type of products, we make sure that this installed in a proper way. So still people know that installing spoiler is just for look, but no, there is a meaning of these spoilers. It improves your aerodynamic of the car. When in high speed, it cuts the air and gives you the proper flow of the car, which improves the dynamics of the car. So do let us know if you like this video and if you have any queries regarding it.